Aujourd'hui, je vais à la station de pompiers à Bangkok. Je vais essayer d'interviewer un pompier. Quel type de formation avez-vous reçu?
I completed the basic disaster training course, fire training, rescue training, and the first aid training.
Quel est l'aspect le plus difficile de votre travail?
It's not the most difficult, but the most important thing for firefighter that is go to help people get to safety as quickly as possible.
Et quel aspect préférez-vous?
When I am a instructor for fire training, I like the most.
À quel âge avez-vous commencé à travailler comme pompier?
I started working as a firefighter when I was 34 years old. Before that, I used to work for a company before I came a firefighter.
Et votre famille est-elle fière de votre choix?
My family is very proud of me.
Comment gérez-vous le stress?
When I feel stressed, take time to relax. Sleeping is good. When my brain feels better, I will ride my motorcycle, go to outside, watching people along the way, and stop by to buy something to eat or take it home. And right now, the way I relieve stress the most is play badminton at the badminton court. Besides relax, it makes me strong and good health as well.
Quel est votre meilleur souvenir en tant que pompier?
Every time I went out to help the people, it was a good memory for me.